let's go to Lakeview Estate. So this is Choba Junction, and we are going to the Abuja campus of University of Port Harcourt. So this is the way to Abuja campus of University of Port Harcourt, and behind this campus is Lakeview Estate. So this is the access way to Lakeview Estate, and this is the security gatehouse of this estate. Look around, we are here. Amazing people, so today we are live and direct at our Lakeview Estate behind the University of Port Harcourt. Yes, and look down there, you see the green roofs there. That is the University of Port Harcourt, Abuja campus. And today we are privileged to have someone that is also resident in this particular estate. And we have her here. Madam, can you tell us about the security situation of this estate and the life situation, of course, what people that are living here are enjoying, because everyone wants to enjoy it, like people.
Okay, thank you very much. Yes, this is Lakeview Estate, and as the name is, it connotes luxury, comfort, peace of mind, security. And she's just asking about security. Yeah, I'm the first resident here, and in the midst of so many other houses that are coming up. So what does that tell you? I can happily tell you it's very safe. We have security men here, up to 15 policemen here. We have security gate over there with uniformed policemen. And on this stretch alone, where the estate is, the environment, we have 3 police stations just on one stretch. Actually, I know you would say, why do you have all that? Yes, it's for your security, for your safety, for your comfort. And talking about electricity, we have constant power supply here in the estate. And if you check around, you see so many houses, so many people are encouraged to come right in and build. Safety is assured, lights assured, power supply, and one major breathtaking thing that goes on in this estate is that 30% of this estate is reserved for greeneries. So wow, you don't have issues with air pollution because we have trees, we have landscaped areas that's not just adding to the beauty, but enhancing the health of all the residents here. So if you want to know more,
call the number showing on your screen.
No darling moment.
Well, you have heard from our Port Harcourt team. This estate is currently selling at the rate of 7,650,000 naira. Yes, call or WhatsApp me on the number showing on this screen, and I will get you a plot or two right here in Port Harcourt City. I am your land director, Lovett Aneke. Bye for now.